Welcome to Tara Dalal's kitchen. I'm nutritionist Mruga. Today we'll prepare special recipes for your little babies named Jawar Banana Sheera. After the age of 6 months, you can give your babies food that are of solid or semi-solid consistency. This recipe that I'm going to make is a rich source of carbohydrate, protein, calcium, and all three important nutrients that are required for a baby's growth. Let's begin our recipe. We'll first heat the ghee. Take in very little ghee. Once the ghee melts, we'll add jawar flour. Let's add jawar flour. And saute till it turns light brown in color. As you can see, it has turned a little light brown in color. Now we'll add milk. Just mix it well so that no lumps remain. And add little water. Now we'll add jaggery. Mix well so that no lumps remain. Now you can see our sheera is cooked. Now we'll switch off the flame and add banana. And just mix well. I've added banana to give that sweet taste. Our sheera is ready. Let's serve. Make sure you serve this sheera immediately, or if you're serving later on, just add a little bit of lukewarm milk and mix well. And here, special recipe Jawar Banana Sheera is ready for your little babies.
If you enjoy our recipes, click like. To see more of my recipes, click here. Please share your comments. I would love to hear them. I'm waiting for them.